what our viewers really want to know is what can happen to your eyes if you look right at it, even if it's for a few seconds. What are we worried about?
That's a great question. And as a retina specialist, I hope I never see solar retinopathy. I certainly have before. And this can happen even on a day when there isn't an eclipse, because it's really dangerous to stare directly at the sun. What the sun does is it basically causes almost like a laser type burn on your macula, which is the very center of your vision, when you stare directly at the sun. And we don't have a good idea of how long it might take to burn your retina from looking at the sun. It's called solar retinopathy. It's painless, but what it causes is a central blind spot or central scotoma. And some people heal from this type of injury, but some people do not. So again, that's why we really emphasize safety. Your vision is precious, and solar retinopathy, there really are no treatments. We just have to give it time to see if your retina will heal from the burn.
So if I were someone that accidentally looked and I was worried that maybe I had solar retinopathy, how quickly would the signs of that show up? Immediately or the next day? What does that look like?
That's a great question. Usually it doesn't show up immediately. Studies have shown it usually shows up within the first 3 to 7 days, sometimes even first couple weeks after staring at the sun. And then symptoms can last weeks to months to, in very rare cases, years.
Even seconds can be a problem.
Right.
I do want to reiterate, if you feel that you accidentally did this and you truly have signs or symptoms, then call our office in the coming days after the eclipse. But if you don't have any signs or symptoms, then you're probably okay, and you don't need to have an exam just to check. You would see a dark spot in your vision. You would see a missing area of vision that doesn't go away.